Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Today I want to take you guys through a process of cooking akple plus Taadi. So akple is a food from Volta region consumed by people of Volta region. Um, Volta region, I mean people of our land spread across Ghana. So you'll find this food in Greater Accra, Ashanti region, all parts of Ghana. But akple is originally from Volta region. So what consists of akple is corn and a cassava dough. Then it mixed. So I've already prepped the dough. So all I did is, I stir it with a little bit salt. What I'll do is probably maybe when I return back to Ghana, I'll actually take you through the process. But if you follow my channel, if you go on the page, there's a video where I actually went to the corn mill where they actually process the dough. So you can go to the page and watch this video. So the process include step paddling with these amazing tools. So I'm going to use this one to step paddle till it's ready. Then I'm going to use this to scoop it. Yeah, what am I going to have with akple? I'm going to have akple with kalami. I've made some kalami tonight. I bought this fish from Lidl, a shop in the UK. So I just want to take you guys through some process, like how much things are in the UK. Like if you really want to eat Ghana food, how much it costs you, right? So like Volta region food, include tomato, tomato, and also pakpo shito, scotch bonnet, pakpo shito. So to eat akple, it's include Taadi, 𝙁𝙤𝙧. Can you pronounce that? 𝙁𝙤𝙧. My Ewe people, if I'm pronouncing it right, please do let me know. Include 𝙁𝙤𝙧 and tomatoes. In that way we call it tomatoes. So tomato. Yeah, so I bought these tomatoes from Sainsbury's in the UK. And this is how the scotch bonnet also look like. You can see it's not even hot. It's still 4. Like the Ghana ones actually like 5. Like the organic ones in Ghana, like the 𝙁𝙤𝙧 itself is about 5. So I bought this from Sainsbury's. Guys, I just want to show you guys. I don't think I have the receipt. I do have the receipt. How much these things actually cost in the UK, So the 𝙁𝙤𝙧 cost me £1.05. That scotch bonnet cost me £1.05. That's how much it cost me just to eat food from Volta region. So these are my food: tomato, scotch bonnet, and onions. That's all I need, and my fish to have some food from Volta region. Does that make sense? The condo, the tomato, the scotch bonnet, the fish, and onions. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start cooking now. I want to take you guys through the process so that I show you guys how I'm step paddling it. So it's going to be probably a lengthy video. So I hope you stay and enjoy the process. I'll move the camera a little bit further so that I can watch the details video. All right, stay tuned. Let's start cooking. All right, so we're going to let this boil for probably a few minutes. Once it starts boiling, we'll start stir paddling. So guys, stay tuned for this amazing content. All right, so first thing, let's start paddling. I'm going to put my gloves on, and I saw because it's going to be very, very hot. So I bought this from Ghana. So see, because you need it to make sure it doesn't burn you. So I'm going to move the cover off. Cover is up. Now let's start paddling slowly. So you can see I'm start paddling now. So step paddling, you can see how I'm doing it. Yep, just make sure the fire is on. Yep, just going to cover it for a bit. All right, so you can see now it's cooking slowly. You require a little bit strong, a little bit strength to cook this food. Because what I'm doing is I'm actually trying not to get any lumps in akple. So yeah, let's cover again. It takes a lot of time to cook the food, so and also just to make you aware, I've already washed my hand. So before you judge, I've already washed my hand very thoroughly. Well, let's go to the part two. Now I'm grab my I don't know how to call it. If you know in English, please do let me know. So you can see I'm step paddling now. Now it's cooking very nice. So step paddling, it will get harder. And also in Volta region, it depends how every household cook their akple, because some people like it very small. It's very soft. My dad actually like it very soft. So when we cook ours, we have to serve ours, then add a bit of water for my dad, and then recook it. So you can see now it's getting hard at the moment, and this will require more strength. Yeah, I've been using this water to cook, so it's still clean. Now I'm just going to cover it now for probably 2 minutes so that the water can cook the akple. I'm really sorry if the kitchen is a little bit messy, but I just thought I'd show people what I'm going to eat tonight. So please, where are you watching the video from? Do you mind to share where you're watching from? I really want to know where you're watching the video from. Now you can see it's getting really, really hard. Yeah, looking amazing. Wow, my throat is making me walla walla. And also, I have a bagba, people call it asanka, but I'm going to blend my chilies because it's getting late. Yeah, so I'm cooking this food from abroad. So I actually did a video that I'm going to post later this week. So if you're living in abroad, where you can get food and cook Ghana food, I did that video. So you can go on the page and watch that video as well. Yeah, so the akple is getting thick. This is where you need to measure your water depending how soft you want the akple, but I like my akple to be very hard, so I'm just going to add tiny bit of water. What the water actually do is it actually cook the akple. So you can see it's getting thick at the moment. All right, let me add my water. Just going to add tiny bit. Yeah, making sure I mix it. I'll mix it. Now, the akple is almost there. We are just a few minutes away from serving the akple. You can see smooth as smooth. So you can see now, let me show you guys how smooth this akple actually look. You can see, right? It's smooth. I like it hard, so I'm going to add a bit of the water. Is actually just using it to cook it quicker. It's not because I want it soft, but just make it quick. I mean, cook quicker, right? Just going to split it into 4 so that this water can cook it. All right, it's going to boil, simmer, if that's the right word. Now our plate is ready. I'm going to serve now. All right. I'm going to cover this while this is also cooking in the back. This food is all ready now. We're going to munch it. What do you guys think of the end result? Is it something are you missing home? Do you think we should do more of the cooking videos? Please do let us know. It's looking amazing.